Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking around a BMW 2 Series convertible that we've upgraded with the Audison Prima sound system. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen this before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So this car came into us with the base hi-fi system. So on BMWs, there's quite a few different variations of what you could have had from stock. So on this one, the base hi-fi, a good identifying feature is that you don't have a tweeter in this location here, just sitting on top of the door behind your wing mirror. So that was just a blanking point. What we've actually done is upgraded every speaker in the vehicle, bar the under-seat subs on this occasion, and we're doing this system step by step. The customer actually first initially came in for a front speaker upgrade. We changed over the 4-inch driver inside the door here in a stock location. Then we added in a Prima tweeter as well. So again, gone into a stock location. However, obviously there was no grill as such in that location because it had the base hi-fi system. What we've actually done is ordered in the BMW surrounds from BMW for the Harman Kardon setup and actually added in the tweeter into a stock location. So in essence now, kind of looks like the car's got Harman Kardon. However, it's got a far nicer system. It's got the Audison Prima set. So they are a plug and play system. They've gone into a stock location, really nicely done. Plus we've also acoustically soundproofed the front doors as well. So overall, really nicely done in terms of that front end. And what that actually does, having that tweeter slightly higher up away from that 4-inch in the door, is actually bring that sound stage up completely in the vehicle. The other thing that we've done with customers come back into us, and we're doing this system in stages. So we did the front speakers, we've now done the rear speakers today. Later on, we've now in talks about adding amplifiers and replacing those under-seat drivers as well. So those quotes have already been drawn up and we're ready to go whenever the customer is. In terms of the rear speakers, they have gone again into a stock location using what's called a coaxial speaker on this occasion. So at the front, we're using a component set, which means the tweeter is separate to the 4-inch driver in the door. And here we've got a coaxial, basically the tweeter built into the existing 4-inch cone, live directly in a stock location. So overall, a really nice system. Yes, it is all plug and play. However, they perform really nicely. And these are by far some of the best sounding plug and play speakers you can buy on the market, and these are our recommendation. Audison Prima range perform so nicely. Overall, so the front of the vehicle got done initially basically to bring that sound stage up in the vehicle, but also give a lot more clarity, give a little bit more depth and that mid-range into the vehicle as well. Customer then found that he was lacking a little bit of that rear feel, and that's where the importance of rear speakers come in. They do provide that rear feel and make the overall sound in the vehicle that little bit better, and that's why he's gone for this. Next stage is amplifiers and those under-seat subs to give a more full sound in the vehicle, give more attention to detail and overall boost in volume and clarity. So hopefully this video is giving you a bit of an insight into what's available and what the upgrades can actually be on your BMW. Obviously these systems are configured literally completely in-house. Come by, see us, book an audio consultation. I'll sit down with you, design spec, and then we'll do the install of your sound system. Whatever your level of whatever you want to go to, we literally do it all. We've got plenty of other BMW videos live directly on our YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.